All right, so I don't know if anybody's had a problem like this, but it is time for me to get rid of this crusty wheel and tire off my hand truck. And the deal is there's one problem. It's very basic, very straightforward, except there is a press-on retaining nut here that doesn't even seem reusable. It's kind of rusted in place and it's pressed on. It's kind of a one-time use design. And I'm going to give you some hints on how you might be able to replace this thing. Okay, so the first thing I'd like to do is just grab some, just use some WD-40, something slippery when wet, and let's see, using some walking pliers here. Just kind of get on the very edge and give it a pinch. The idea being round it, and between the crimping of it to get a little bit of distortion and the greasiness of it. You can start to work it free. So it's got a little bit of a bend in it now, but I didn't manage to break it. This guy pops right off. Theoretically. Throw on the new one from Harbor Freight. Make sure you got it the right way out so your valve stem is available. Now, one more thing before you try to put this contorted, twisted thing back. Just kind of flatten it part of the way back, so it's at least relatively flat and square. Centered up there. My washer put back there. Now, I think it's a 5/16 diameter little axle. Anyway, I found a 17mm socket. Fits about right here. Tap that baby back in place. Yeah, I'm really happy about that.